when I say to someone, remain happy on me or don't leave me, it means through you, my fulfillment should be there. Be the source of fulfilling me in my life. Remain giver in my life. Giver of love, giver of devotion, giver of some kind of good thought. Bigger is the giver, more we need him. We respect someone because he is a bigger giver. The life in which there is no one to give us faith, give us belief, give us the right notion, give us character, give us value. It is a kind of orphan life. Orphan is not the one who doesn't have mother and father. Orphan is the one in whose life nobody thinks that let me nourish him some emotions today. Let him fill his life with some values, emotions, some kind of devotion, some kind of happiness I will keep on giving you. I'll correct this potential givership in Lord is invoked by stuti, by bhakti. Tulsidas got much more from Lord than we will got. Although same Lord is there. Draupadi got much more than we got. Arjun got much more than other Pandavas got. Pandavas got much more than Kauravas got. When such a big reservoir of blessings is there, reservoir of love is there, reservoir of faith is there, then why not it is for me? And to which extent I have opened that for me? Which percentage have I unfolded from that infinite giver? More a person is pleased with someone, he becomes a giver in the person's life in whom he is pleased. As I told yesterday, we need many things and we need many kinds of many things to be given to us. I had gone to saints where I knew that this saint is good in particular subject, in some kind of teaching. And when I knew that he can give me this which I can't get from anywhere else, then whatever he had put the conditions for learning, I accepted because I knew that there is no way out other than to surrender. The Lord has infinite givership. बहुत कुछ भगवान दे सकते हैं हमको. They say you don't know how to take it. How to take it, that we don't know. Rather, what he was giving, I sometimes do something that also stops. अब बताओ, for Arjun Bhagwan Krishna, Khandava one is there where Agni wanted to burn the whole one. I will not tell the whole story. So Agni Dev came to Arjun and he said, I want to burn Khandava one because this is my diet. Up there in that Khandava one, Takshak was, the snake Takshak was there. And he was a friend of Indra. Moment he started burning, Indra used to rain heavily. Arjun said, okay, you have come, I'll talk to Lord Krishna. And he went, he said, you have said, I will do anything. And when he started burning, he got Arjun the arrow and the quiver. With the lightning speed you can shoot the arrow. He made a big umbrella over the whole forest, so that the water of Indra was not coming and he could be burned that guy. Khandavan. Ishwar's capacity. Who is a devotee? A devotee is the one who, like we earn and eat, we have built the house and we live. We purchase and put on the clothes. All these things are from some one giver only. He has pleased him so much that the clothes, the shelter, the food, the thoughts, the love, the honor, everything we can get from God. How He will give that He has various ways. Otherwise life becomes quite an effort to live. Quite a hard trial. One day from morning till evening we slog to. Hard work we do. Flow is not there in our life. It's not as if I'm not living. And what is the experience of the sadhu saints or any pious person? I think somebody is making me available everything which I don't do for. This is called the joy of living with the Lord in the heart. If Draupadi's sari can stretch, क्या द्रौपदी को नहीं दिया भगवान ने? He didn't save from the curse of Durvasa by giving her that bowl. Akshay Patra did not give. We get surprised when we hear these stories, how this is possible. How this is possible she can get one Akshay Patra. How it is possible he can get. आश्चर्य होता है. To Gop and Gopis, Bhagwan did not give me. We all are sitting here. ठीक है? We all have received grace of God in some measure. But I can tell you, some have more than others. Well, who has more? Please tell me. No, that I won't tell. But some have more. Some have much more. Bringing out your givership. One who loves you. You give. Loving you means what? He brings out your givership. Nobody can force you. Prasid me namami te padabja bhakti dehi me. Bhagwan gives ideas also. Bhagwan gives thoughts also. Bhagwan alone gives the love to love him. You can't love by yourself. I pray to Lord with my purity, He is happy. He alone gives me the emotions that make me love Him. And then it is said, one who chants this stotra, pathantiye stavam idam, naradarena te padam, brajanti natra samshaya. Those who are devotees of the Lord, they chant this stotra and they are not troubled by the ordinary sorrows. They are not troubled by the various kinds of ordinary trials and tribulations which a person faces. Vinati kari muni jai nai siru, kah kar jori bahori, charan saruru nath jani, kabahu tajay mati. Then he offered his namaskar. Who? Atri ji. And he said, let my mind never leave your feet, lotus feet. यही मांग रहे हैं आपसे. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम वांटिंग. बड़ा गिवर बनाओ भगवान को आप. यू डू एनीथिंग, बट ब्यूटी इज दैट माई लाइफ शुड बी एफर्टलेस. Now let me move ahead. Arindakand should move also. Now the story of Anusuya comes. You must have heard the name of Anusuya. Anusuya, Atri Anusuya. I think Anusuya was the daughter of Kardam Rishi, one of the daughters of Kardam Rishi. 9 daughters he had. One of the daughter was Devhuti and Kardam. We'll talk about something before I go at the outset. The Nari Dharma is mentioned here. The main dharma of a Nari. बोले नारी धर्म, what about पुरुष धर्म? आएगा सब. I want to hear about Purush Dharma also. What they should do. Only why they say what I should do. Arey bhai, hold on. Purush Dharma is also there. Nobody is spared. क्या धर्म है उसका नारी का? And maybe it may not appeal to you. Never mind. It is not necessary everything should appeal to everybody. What is there, I will tell. What is written and what is truth, that also will be told. अच्छा, देखो अनुसुया, just before I tell what she says, she was a great and austere woman. Her husband's name was Atri and they were living in Chitrakoot. So those who have gone to Chitrakoot, there is a place of Atri Anusuya also. Separately, there is their temple also. If you happen to go, definitely you visit that place. Now it is quite built up, but when I went 15 or 20 years back, it was hardly built up. Now a lot of temples have come up. In Chitrakoot, lot of temples also have come up. She was such a great and austere woman that she had Ishtanishtha, Guru Nishtha, Pati Nishtha and Ishtanishtha. She used to worship Lord Shiva and she used to have Pati Nishtha. She was the Pativrata. So much so that once famine had come in India, Chitrakoot side. Chitrakoot means, Koot means Parvat, like Trikut, Chitrakoot. Chitra means variety. So varieties of Vindhyachal Parvat is there in Chitrakoot. Therefore it is called Chitrakoot. And there when famine had come, then Atri Rishi went into meditation. And not speaking nothing, all his disciples left, everybody left, because who will live where there is no water, etc. So he went into Samadhi. But she used to sit and offer water and offer flower to him and do upasana of Lord Shiva. Anusuya. And the power of commitment is very big. When I ask someone what you do, what I mean, I want to ask where you are committed to. Anybody's value is where he is committed to. Uncommitted person has no value. I ask a person, a man is there, I ask, what work you do? And he says, I don't do anything. You serve your parents? That also I don't know. Do. You do any business? No. What you do? I do nothing. Now, when you know that he does nothing, then what do you mean? That means he is not committed to any place. Anybody's value is where he is committed and how much he is committed to things. Not where he is attached. When I say committed, it means there should be some altar where he can live and die for. Is there a place where he is able to forget himself? Is there a place where he can do anything? And more is the commitment towards, and commitment cannot be something lower. Because lower thing is bound by my own desires, by my own ahankar, by my own attachments. I do this thing because I like it. Commitment is for something bigger, higher, loftier, where I don't bother about my desire. It doesn't matter my desires are fulfilled or not. My comforts are there or not. See, right now in India, the terrorists have gone into one of the Pathankot, and Pathankot is a place where we catch bus from Siddhabari, and there's an air base station. So there are 6-7 terrorists have entered in the night, in 2 nights back, and whole air force is fighting because there is a big air base and they wanted to blast it. And they are quite well armed, and because our people are there also there, 7 of our army people, air force people lost life, and 5 or 6 they lost lives. When these people go with their armed jacket or with their guns, etc., you know what is in their mind? Not my child or my wife or my father or mother or my bank balance. Their only concern is that this terrorist should not be able to blast the Air Force station which India has got. It took years to build up, and they should not take any secret information to attack us. Let the country be protected. 7 lost their life. Martyrs they are called. And they could kill them also. And they came in the army unit, army uniform. These terrorists, they came in the army uniform. So nobody said anything also. And they jumped over the wall and they started firing indiscriminately. Then these people who were trained, NSG and all this, they are trying, and almost they are at the end of their elimination. They could save the main thing, but with a heavy heart, we lost 7 good soldiers, country lost, which country takes years to prepare. It's a big loss for us. But for us to smile, they are ready to give up their life. That is their commitment. Behind many happy people, there is one committed person. Where there is no commitment, you cannot do anything big. You have to do something, you have to continue with that. Commitment is something you hold on to something bigger. Just because it is big, it gives you joy in giving, in sacrificing, in surrendering. If a person is not vrati, he is not having the vrat. Vrat doesn't mean Somvar vrat, Mangalvar vrat, Navratra vrat, not eating. Vrat is a kind of vow that I have, that this ideal I won't leave, at any cost, and I'll follow the rules of that ideal. A person has no value actually. He has no stand, because remember, whom I am committed to, that alone saves us. When I am committed to country, country also tries to look me after. Any relation, if it is not based on commitment, that relation have no charm. You don't know when this person will leave me. Any relation, if it is not based on commitment, that relation is very flimsy. You are just living in the doubt all the time. Then I don't know this person, what will happen to him, and when he will do what, and he will leave it and go away. Commitment is that in spite of you do anything, I won't leave you. This is my vow with you. Whether it is my office, or whether it is my country, or whether it is I am living as a husband and wife, or I am living as a friend and friend, or I am living as a father and son, or I am living in my business. This is my silent, written, confirmed document or vow is there. They go to the, what is it called, court, etc., to have a sign. So with one sign, if marriage is held, another sign can take it also. By sign, marriages are not held. Or by sign, there is no Guru Shish Parampara where, Guru has signed a document, from now onward I will be Guru. And Shishya also came and he also signed, from now on I will be your disciple. And third person, neighbor, we called really witness. ऐसा ही तो होता है ना, witness ही होता है. 2 witness or 1 witness are also there. There is nothing like that. It is a much more deeper relation. Wherever there is such kind of people, there is surety around. There is conformity around. And the fruit of commitment is such that it gives tremendous big fruits. With this Anusuya, she was like a goddess only, extremely Tejaswini. She had only Patyakara Vritti. That my husband is this and I am committed to that. That gave her so much of powers that Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh also had to appear as a child in front of. I told the story. And after 54 years, one day Atri Muni got up from his meditation and he asked Anusuya, Jalam, give me water. Now there was no water around. So she started walking in Chitrakoot. When she started walking, she saw one very beautiful Devi like somebody is walking. Then she asked her, who are you? You are appearing like some goddess. She said, I am Ganga. You said, you are Ganga, very right time you have come. My husband is very thirsty. He said, okay, prepare one ditch and a hole. I'll go as an Adi Bhautik form. Then Anusuya said, only one condition is there. Because your darshan is very good, even if I take water, until my husband comes and sees you, please don't go from here. So she went into that and she gave the water to Atri. When Atri Rishi drank that water, he said, wow, very good water. Such sweet water I never drunk. Then she told the story and brought him to have darshan of Ganga. Now Ganga comes from Gomukh and not from that place. So moment Atri Rishi came, Ganga ji said, okay, now you had darshan, I am going. Now she prayed that if you are happy with me, please stay here and don't go. And then she became Mandakini. Why Ganga ji alone is Mandakini. If you go there, you can have darshan of Mandakini also. I mean, this is the power of her austerity. The power of the person's ability to see divinity in something, the ability to see unwavering divinity, the austerity of the ability to see the divinity, that is the commitment of a person. We see divinity in someone, after that my mind falls down. I stop seeing the divinity where I was seeing also. Achha. Now she is telling what is the dharma of the woman. Now before, few things please understand. Nowadays we talk of equality of man and woman. There is no man, two men are not equal. How can man and woman be equal? What you can do, I can't do. What I can do, you can't do. Two fingers are not equal. Two palms are not equal. What this palm can do, this can't do. This can do, this can't do. This hand can do. Why the equality is there? They can never be equal. Then they have their own places, own great places there. Well, but who is greater? Go, don't come on the track and start running. That is not the way to think the subject. Now, what is the main dharma? You know, we feel my daughter will grow up, she will become good. In medical science, she is going and she is studying what is called biotechnology, and she is now going to Cambridge and she is doing paper on metaphysics, the change of molecular existence in the earth. My daughter is studying on geology. Achha, and her topic is tectonic plates. Achha. Tectonic plates, which is in Japan side. I mean, you can study. You can study, there is no problem at all. But one thing I'll say, the social structure is based on family structure or not. You talk about the society, but society is made of various families only. Any family, that alone makes a samashti of families is called the society. Macrocosm of the families is called society. ठीक है, आगे बढ़े. And unit of any family is the purity and commitment between husband and wife or not. Family is not the name that my house has a very beautiful carpet and it has chandelier hanging, or it has the Italy marble, an Australian cactus. हाँ भाई, cactus रखते हैं. Cactus is expensive. It's a status symbol to keep cactus. Very expensive cactus are there. It is more expensive than roses cactus. Neither good in looks, neither you can touch it also. So expensive. Various sizes are there. Some are round cactus, some are this cactus, that cactus. As is inside, they want it outside also. Anyway, the society, the family unit of family, you agree or not, it is the husband-wife relationship. Not daughter-in-law and in-laws relationship. वो बाद में आता है. That comes later on. That comes later on. First is, अच्छा, you cannot be committed to uncommitted person also. Commitment has to be from both sides. You can't be uncommitted to a committed person also. बोले क्या फिर से बोलो? You cannot be committed to uncommitted person, and you cannot be uncommitted to a committed person. The structure of the house was such. It needed two things it needed. It needed Chandrama also and it needed Surya also. The status of the house is decided by the man. Therefore, if somebody asks, there is also what your mother does. So in your forms, father's name is and father's occupation is there. What does your father do? But the joy and peace in the house does not depend mainly on the man. It depends on the woman of the house, who is the mother of the house. And what she holds on to, let me tell you, in no uncertain term, you may disagree, I have no problem. You may will definitely disagree. If you don't disagree, then you are understanding what I am saying. This is good. You are forcing me to agree. Anything has a joy, charm, only because something is for you. It has a lot of emotions for you. Purity of anybody's emotion is the charm of that person in your life. आप सोच के देखना. We love our Gurudev. Why? Because I knew that he has never wanted anything from me. Anytime I went, he just wanted to give to me. His purity of emotion for me is my charm for him. Moment I know that somebody is giving me to take something, the charm of that thing or a person diminishes. Then what is the dharma of the house? Outside house is not the status is there, but inside what holds the house is the pure emotions. Forgiveness, tolerance, lack of anger, lack of bitter words, lack of swollen faces. If you want something swollen, please take banana, apple, jackfruit, not the face. Face should be not swollen, it should be blossoming. It should be flowering face. What makes the house attractive is this. And you know why? Woman has much more emotion than the man. So much emotions are there that they can cry for hours together. But I'll tell you, it is the emotions that give the commitment to her. Through these emotions, she says that I will be committed to you. And where emotions are, why so much emotions are there? Who will bring the child up? 10 times to feed. While feeding, he is spitting. Here the rice is trickling down all the time. She is wiping again washing, again cleaning. I can never do it for a day. I can't do it for a day. He is shouting and screaming, still holding and playing with him and doing this. And making him sleep like this. One day one child was there, they make him sleep, I hate him like this. And he got up forever. So, you have to make the child sleep also. There is a particular way, while you are tapping, the hand should not be like this. Not a carpentry work. It has to be like this. Hollow of the palm should be there. Then you have to pat like this slowly. Again. And as he goes to sleep, you start petting less also. When you get up again, go, Are you need so much of emotions to bring that child? Changing the clothes, feeding every day, giving bath, going after him, going with him to school, college. He is good for nothing, for everybody. Neither he is good in looks, neither his studies, neither anything is good in. But I bring him up. You need lot of emotions. है भगवान ने बनाया भाई क्या करें? Man can't bring up the child like that. It will be a big tragedy. Very difficult for the father to say I am the mother also. Mother can say I am the father also. Mother can say, I am also the father also. But for the father to say I am the mother also, I have sincere doubts. Difficult. Some may be. अरे इतना डिफिकल्ट कहाँ है भाई? Why? Man is an ambitious person. He wants fame outside, place outside in the world. He wants when he moves on the society, people should know him. Oh, Sharma ji, thank you. आ गया. Very good. Good to see you. How is work? He wants when he walks in the office, there should be someone to feel that he is there. There should be awe for him. Woman's requirement is not this much. She does not want a very big place in the outer world. She walks outside and they say, Mrs. Such and such is a great doctor. Usko satisfaction nahi milega. She wants a place in somebody's heart. Numero uno. अरे what? नहीं ठीक बोला. Numero uno, understood? What? Number one. I want a place in my house. I want for some man I can be committed to someone who is not ordinary man. He should be Deva Purush. And that Deva Purush was possible only in Patitva, the husband of that woman. Or if husband is not there, you can say God also. Somewhere if the emotions are not getting a place, she will be unsettled. River has to have a place. It needs the ocean where she can offer. That commitment is required. And when she is happy, house would be happier. Children will be happier. Their studies will be happier. Let me tell you, a sacrificing woman has much more power. Anybody who sacrifices, he will run the show anywhere. And therefore I said the peace in the house will be decided by her. And if the woman is not very pure-hearted, short-tempered, bitter in the words, not serving, commitment is less, house will become Hell. मजा नहीं रहेगा कुछ हाउस में. Children will be there as because they have to live, therefore they are available. Mother is very upset, she has to tolerate a lot. And therefore, her, in this particular prasang, when Anasuya ji is telling the dharma of the woman, all dharma are there. But biggest dharma is to hold the house, to hold the joy of the house, to hold the heart of the husband. Difficult. Well, why don't you tell? And therefore, it is said here, उत्तम के अस बस मन माही सपने हूं आन पुरुष जग नाही. 3-4 kinds of women are mentioned. Only this I didn't like from the beginning. Anyway, you tell. उत्तम के अस बस मन माही. Highest category of women are those in whom only the commitment towards husband is there. देखो, anywhere commitment towards one alone can be there. One who is committed to many, he is committed to none. Simple. He is uncommitted person. So everybody will think he is not for me. Just someday I come, someday I don't come. What will you think? Swamiji is uncommitted in talking. If I don't take class, one day I take class, other day don't, then the students will think, he's uncommitted in teaching Upanishads, etc. When this kind of commitment is there, उत्तम के अस बस मन माही सपने हूं आन पुरुष जग नाही, there is no other man in the heart of the woman. देखो, Gandhari, who had blindfolded her, because of her blindfolding, she had lot of powers. Anyone who has given himself to something, he has much more capacities than ordinary person. What about Madhyam? Madhyam parpati देखिए कैसे माता पिता भ्राता पिता पुत्र निज जैसे. Others sees others' husband as brother and father or son. Second category. Third, धर्म विचारी समुझी को रही सो निकृष्ट त्रिय श्रुति अस कही. Other is there who had bad thoughts, but she abstains herself, thinking this is not right to do. This is third class. Acha. And who is the last class? Fourth class. बिनु अवसर भय ते रह जोई जाने अधम नारी जग सोई. पति बंचक परपति रति करही रव रव कलप नरक. Who just cheats her own husband and does anything. Pati banchak. So she has none of the first three qualities, and she will go to hells, etc. This is the things mentioned. But what is main? Acha, what about the Purush? Purush have not heard Ek Patni Vrat. In Ramayana, when Ramji heard about Sita ji, what is that line? मोहिस जही सपने निज नारी न हेरी मोरे मन प्रतीत अति केरी जही सपने पर नारी न हेरी. When Sita ji, when he saw Sita ji, he told to Lakshman, Ole Lakshman, I have faith in my mind that my mind will never go to somebody else's woman also. I told you, commitment is both sides. That is also commitment. So from there also commitment is there, and this also commitment is there. This culture has brought great saints in India only. The level of chastity of the Indian woman is much more than anywhere else. And because of this commitment, you know who came? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came. Shankaracharya came. और बोले कितने बोल दें आपसे, विवेकानंद स्वामी के. Why in other countries only one Mandela comes, or one Desmond Tutu comes, ठीक बोला ना, or one Lincoln comes, in whole Europe, why only 1-2 finger? You can count in fingers. In India, anywhere you go, you will find who gave birth to Sur and Tulsi, and who gave birth to Kamban and Tyagarajan in the South India. Who gave birth to Sadashiv Brahmendra? Who gave birth to Tapovan Maharaj? Who gave birth to Gurudev? Why world looks towards India as its guru today also? And Nostradamus has predicted that India is going to become the future guru once again. Why is it like that? Why this Ramayana came? Why such a lofty philosophies came in India? Why 18 Puranas came? Why Bhagavad Gita came? Why renunciates came? No dharma has such sannyasis. How sannyasis came? How anybody like Prahlad, Dhruv and Shravan Kumar came? Is there any religion which teaches Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava? From the garden you can see who is the gardener. From the disciple who can see who was the teacher. From the effect you can see the cause. Why is it that they could bring out such geniuses? Still when I read Sanskrit grammar, I am baffled by Panini's genius. Why it brought out? Why classical music came out there? Big classical music, various ragas are there. And I don't know what pop music is there, it creates pop. Fusion, it is not fusion, it is confusion. Classical music you hear, your upper part becomes active, you do like that. As if Kundalini is Jagrat. You hear break dance, legs start shaking. Automatically feet starts moving. Like that. And here if you hear one classical music, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा सुर की नदियाँ बह के सागर में मिले. अबे क्या what ragas are there? You will be baffled to hear that. Who brought it out? Where from these mantras Gayatri mantra came? Tell me one mantra in English. Oh God, Thou art the Supreme. Tell me mantra. He nahi mantra bola jaldi se. Don't say 10 commandments. I want mantra. Tell me, Trambakam Yajamahe, where is which culture has brought mantras? Tell me which mantra, which culture is there which says, okay, when you get up in the morning, touch the feet of your parents. Tell me which culture is there where they say, wash the feet of the teacher. Do Pad Puja. Have we a culture? The gratefulness was so developed. Here Indians could stay because they were much more loyal. Therefore they could work for those people. Loyalty was very high. Loyalty was in their blood. कहाँ से आई ये सब बातें? If in the child loyalty is there, it must be in the mother and father also. Foundations, if it is not right, we always will be shaky. Here we saw our mother every day until about my house. Never she worked in any office. She was postgraduate. Postgraduate in that age. And leaving me for school, leaving me means preparing for everything. When I came back, still receiving me, being outside. I only saw whole life till I was in the house, how she sacrificed. Eating last, cooking for everybody, putting glass of water for everybody. When my term came, giving tea, never I made a single meal in my house. Only I saw how she gives up. For this person, for that person, for that person. The one who eats last, you know or you don't know? What's the condition? Not everything is there every day. Something best one goes very fast also. Even second round people don't get. Then cleaning it, then this is there, that is there. And that samskar, mind used to register it. Anytime come in the house, what is there? She is cooking what happened? You know, my grandfather wants that particular, she is cooking for them. Then when Kaka wants, when my father's brother, he wants something else. Then somebody else wants something else. Then we are inviting our friends to the, for tea and for snacks, etc. Then his snacks are making. By the time it is night, 10 o'clock, totally tired. Used to go and see. Morning, get up, first thing 4 o'clock, opening the Ramayana and reading Ramayana. In terrible winter, cold water bath. I never had hot water bath till I came in the ashram also. Hot water bath was not allowed. It was only cold water bath and the temperature was 2-3 sometimes. Never I did any sacrifice. But that impression kept, mind took that impression somewhere. And whatever you are there or anybody is there, it is because of some committed mother behind you. Committed father behind you. If for their comfort, if they had left you, you won't be sitting here comfortably and hearing Ramayana also. What values you imbibed? Whether it is of offering pranam, whether it is of doing arti, whether it is of doing a regular little puja, it is somebody must have gave you. And that was the Stri Dharma which was there. ठीक है? So Anusuya ji gave this dharma, Stri Dharma to everybody. Not that I want to become a high profile doctor. You can become doctor. You can go to which doctor? I want to do the university PhD doctor. I want to do research. In what? I want to do research in this applications. Which application? Any application. यही आज के बच्चों को यही ख्वाब है. If they ask the woman, what you do? And if she says, no, I don't do anything, I'm a housewife. Oh yes. And that woman also says, so much I studied just to become housewife. Swami ji, roti belne ke liye bas padhai kiya tha. This is what I got for. If I also had worked, I would have value for something. I have no value because I don't work. I'm in the house, there's no work. Arey, kya hai? You can spoil the house, you can make the house. Being in the house, you have more power now. Otherwise, I'm totally out of the house. And child comes, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, he comes running, he's tired. Mummy hai nahi ghar mein. Maids are there. And mummy is coming 6 o'clock. Why? Boss is saying work overtime. And he comes. Mummy, you have come. Oh, come. I'm very tired. Beta, please get me one cup of tea. Honey, will you play with me? I'm very tired, I told you. By the time she gets an SMS from the boss, please get this project by tomorrow morning. And it's the child's birthday today. And he has called also. I have ordered cataract from outside also. Child is looking forward. In her mind, this project is jumping. She will be awake late night now. She is thinking, working on the computer. When the child will grow up, he'll be 10, 11, 12. Shall I say or leave it? Already you are saying what will. Okay. So, when the child is 11, 12, he will say, Mommy, you did not give me the time what I required. Such hai. I'm not saying don't work, but not at the cost of bigger things. अमित दान भरता वैदेही अनुसूया के पद गई सीता. उसको एक आइडियल मिल जाए. If woman gets her ideal, she will be very inspired. If that place a woman get, she can create wonders. मिली बहोरी सुशील विनीता. अनुसुया met Sita ji met Anusuya. Rishi Patni Mansukh Adhikai. She was very happy. She gave blessings. Who? Anusuya ji gave blessings to Sita ji. And she gave nice clothes which will never be used for. They need not, no cleaning is required. It will never get dirty also. दिव्य बसन भूषण पहिराए जे नित नूतन अमल सुहाए. They are ever green, ever fresh, because bhai, man can change bulkal, salkal, all these things are there. But for the woman, how can she change all the clothes? So much sets is not, also not there. That too living in the forest, that too wandering here and there. And then she told about this, that 4 kinds of women. Uttam ke asbas manmahi. Sapne hum an purush manmahi. Iska to what I have understood, that those who are highest kind of women, or men also, mere to Girdhar Gopal, dusra na koi, only one is there in their mind. Total commitment is possible only when absence of all is there, only one Lord is there. Let us now see, if anybody does that, he doesn't get the fruit. He gave the example of Tulsi, etc. ये value है commitment की. After 5 kha, we have not read today, let us read something. Suni jaan ki param sukh pawa. Please read together. Suni jaan ki param sukh pawa, sadarta sucharan siro. तब मुनि सन कह कृपा निधाना, आयस होई जाऊं बनहाना. संतत मोह पर कृपा तुरे हो, सेवक जानी तनु जनिने हो. धर्म धुरंधर प्रभु के सुनि सप्रेम बोले मुनि जानी. दास कृपा शिव सनकादि, कहत सकल परमारथ हारी. हे तुम राम का काम प्यारे, दीन बंधु मृदु बचन उचारे. अब जानी मैं श्री चतुराई, भजी तुम्हीं सब देव बिहाई. जय समान अतिशय नहीं कोई, ठाकर सीन कस न हस होई. हे विधि कहूँ जाऊँ अब स्वामी, कहु नाथ तुम अंतर जानी.
लोचन जल बह पुलक शरीरा।
तन पुलक निर्भर प्रेम पूरन नयन मुख पंकज दिए मन जान गुण गौतीत प्रभु में दीप जप तप का किए जप जोग धर्म समूह ते नर भगत अनुपम पावई रघुवीर चरित पुनीत निस दिन दास तुलसी गावई कलिमल समन दमन मन राम सुजस सुख मूल सादर सुनहि जे तिन पर राम रहहि अनुकूल कठिन काल मल कोस धर्म न ज्ञान न जोक जप परिहरि सकल भरोस राम ही भजहि ते ततुर नर सियावर राम चंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय
उमापति महादेव
की जय बोलो भाई
शंकर की जय।
Janki ji heard, she got very happy, offered her namaskar to Anusuya ji. After that, Bhagwan Ram asked Atri ji, देखो शील देखो, तब मुनि सन कह कृपा निधाना. Bhagwan's name is Kripa Nidhana. Janki ji used to address Bhagwan Ram as Kripa Nidhana only. That was a secret. Therefore, when Hanuman ji told, नर बानर मैं संग कई जैसे, राम दूत में माँ तो जान की सत्य शपथ कृपा निधान की. So, जो सीता जी was seeing someone else, she saw immediately, only you got the secret. You know where from this word first she said? In Pushpivatika. Because Bhagwan, if he is not Kripa Nidhan, who will take us? Who will accept us? Lower evolved person is more compassion he needs. By in the school, topper won't need grace mark. One who is struggling, supposing pass percentage is 40 and he got only 30 after very hard work. Now he needs more grace mark. Only by third year he has, first time he had 10 marks. Next year 20. He is progressing this way. One day he will got 50 also. Usko pass karwa do. Because we are not that qualified, therefore we need more grace from the Lord. Those who commit more mistake, they need more grace, more compassion. Man who doesn't commit mistake, he does not need compassion. And unless we get compassion, we will lose an opportunity to grow. We thrive because somebody accepts. There is a joy of working because you feel my work is accepted. The joy of sadhana is because you feel somebody may be happy with my sadhana. So if 10 works I don't do right, if 2 I do right, the inspiration behind those 2 is I will be accepted. The surety of being accepted is the inspiration. Supposing you make food. While making food, you know what is the force behind you which tells to make the food? That's whom you are making, he will eat it with love. Supposing you make and you say, "Bola, he has no value," then there is no. What is the inspiration? I talk because I know you are listening with love. Your inspiration of listening is because you say that Swamiji will talk with love. Everywhere I want to be accepted, irrespective of who am I, what I did, what good I did, what bad I did. ठीक है. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या है? Lord knows all our action. He should have rejected long back. With one fault of other person we reject so fast. And he is sitting inside my mind and all karma, all birth. If anybody knows, forget about last birth. This birth's all action. All action? Arey, just take 1 year's action. Long back he would have left me. कृपा निधान. भगवान को बहुत कंपैशन चाहिए. We need lot of support from the Lord. तब मुनि सन कह कृपा निधाना, आयसु होई जाऊं बन आना. He folded his palms. राम जी नहीं है, ये राम जी है. He बोले, if you give me permission, can I go from here, from Chitrakoot? Muni's eyes was started tearing. And then, what beautiful line he says, संतत मोह पर कृपा करे हो. I want one thing, please offer your grace upon me all the time. Not Atriji is saying, Ramji is saying, सेवक जानी तजहु जनि नेहु. He said, I am your servant. Never leave your love upon me. कितने lovable हैं भगवान राम, देखो. Some people are naturally lovable. How not they can get the grace? Well, if I am your servant, please don't forget me. Through him, he is telling how we should say. Ramji's actions are for humiliation. हम जाएं, can I leave? With his head like that, he said. Not that he said, Bhai Atriji, I am going, okay, take care. And people don't write in the mail also, take care. They say TC. इतना आलसी हो गए, पूरी लाइन तो लिख दो. देखो, the joy of being smaller is to make any elderly person that you are bigger in front of me. फिर से बोल देते. The joy of being younger is to make elderly person, my saints, my guru, aware that they are very big and I am very small in front of them. He is now asking, please don't leave your love. How much beautiful emotions he had. He didn't say, please don't forget me. The tone which he spoke with, the way he positioned his wordings. धर्म धुरंधर प्रभु के बानी, सुनी सप्रेम बोले मुनि ज्ञानी. When he heard Atriji that he is the champion of all dharma, who has taken dharma avatar, in his mind it went through, अरे यही विष्णु है. विप्र हेनु सुर संधित लीन मनुज अवतार. He is the Brahmanda Swami. And he is with a bent head, he is folding his palms in front of me. He got awestruck. And he said, Ja sukrupa aj siv सनकादि चहत सकल परमारथ बादी. ते तुम राम अकाम प्यारे, दीन बंधु मृदु बचन उचारे. बोले, everybody is under your control. Now he got Brahma, Shiv, Sanak Adi, and जे तुम राम अकाम प्यारे. who don't have any desire. You love them and they love you. You spoke so beautifully with so much of deenta, so soft words. He did like this. Atriji. Now I know why Lakshmi doesn't leave you. अब जानी मैं श्री चतुराई, भजी तुम्हारी सब देव भाई. I know now why she all the times there with you. जय समान अतिशय नहीं कोई, ताकर सील कस न अस होई. Whom there is no one equivalent to you. How can you not have such a beautiful conduct? Anybody? Ramji, this quality was there. Only still there are two characters in Ramayana. One is Bharatji, other is Ramji. And I have to say, Bharatji still was little more than Ramji. But Ramji, Avatar Purush, Bhagwan's avatar, you know, he said 1-2 lines and he made Atriji aware that I am your servant, I am your small, I am very able to follow whatever you say. And then Ramji was just folding his palms and smiling and seeing him with a poised face which is wanting permission. Face has expression. Sometimes face says, please tell this. Sometimes face says, whether you tell or not, I'll do what I wish. And this face was saying, if you say yes, then I will go. Face also has a language. आप बोलिए हाँ तो हम चले जाएंगे. When Atriji said, he said, Ram, you have put me in dilemma. के ही विधि कहूँ जाहु अब स्वामी. How can I say go? How can I say go? कहु नाथ तुम अंतर्जामी. अस कही प्रभु बिलो की मुनि धीरा. लोचन जल बह पुलक शरीरा. When he saw Ramji sitting, all his emotions, his love, that, I am so privileged. By whose permission whole world runs today? He is showing his shield and taking permission from me. Ole, whatever jap tap I did, I got the fruit. And what a nice face you have. Are you seeing? What a beautiful demeanor you have. तन पुलक निर्भर प्रेम पूरन नयन मुख पंकज दिए. He had unwinking eyes. मन ज्ञान गुण गोतीत प्रभु मैं दीख जप तप का किए. Only I wouldn't have done any jap tap that you are here with me. जप जोग धर्म समूह ते नर भगति अनुपम पावहीं. रघुवीर चरित पुनीत निसि दिन दास तुलसी गावहीं. And he did not say yes go, but he indicated. He said, let people love you by leaving all bharosa, by leaving all support of world. परिहरि सकल भरोस राम ही भजहि ते चतुर नर. And then again, yeah, you know what Ramji did after that? He got up. Atriji also got up. Atriji thought now Ramji will turn. Ramji took out his bow and arrow, offered Sashtang Pranam. मुनि पद कमल नाई धरी सीसा चलेस बनहि सुर नर मुनि ईसा. As he prostrated, the dust of the feet of Atri he put on his head, and with folded hands, bent head, he turned. And when he started moving with Sita ji and Lakshman ji, Atriji wanted to stop. आगे राम अनुज पुनि पाछे. So he did like that. Again his hand came. Again he tried to go behind. But he said, I am too small to ask him. I don't need any favor. He gave everything. I am unworthy of what he gave to me.